Hi, my name is Zishan Osmani and I am the CEO of GoFig Solutions. GoFig Solutions is the short form for Go Figure It Out. We aim to develop technologies and solutions that will solve the problem of counterterrorism and law and order situations in the countries worldwide. Our main product would be the Blast Sim, the simulation of suicide bombing and IED explosions for risk mitigation and planning. We have the best team. We have the marketing in our team. We have the best coders, and I completed my PhD from Florida Tech, doing exactly the same thing. My PhD thesis was on the explosions and the simulation modeling of blast waves. The solution that we are proposing, that's the Blast Sim, will be very helpful for law enforcement agencies and police and the civil setters in for the event management worldwide to protect the life of common citizens for the events and for the security, for the gatherings, for the crowd formation and different things. How it's going to impact Chile socially is being an unbiased location in Latin America. Chile can come up with a trendsetter and to go destination for all of the security related products for law and order and counterterrorism in the world. So that's we aim to do, and we are looking forward for a wonderful contest. Thank you very much.